What's the emergency?
Okay, my son mysteriously has the hiccups.
You call the doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy. Sarah, stop hitting me. He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What? There's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him.
Yahoo! The hiccup specialist witch doctor at your service. What seems to be the... Oh. Wait, Mr. Witch Doctor? You're the hiccup specialist? Seems like it, yes. But I thought Ursula's dad was a hiccup specialist. He said he had to be somewhere, so I'm filling in his duties for him. Now what's the trouble? Jemmy somehow got the hiccups, and I want them gone. Well, my afternoon's free. I'll see what I can do. Help!